Hello everybody, in this question, points A, B, C and D lie on a line in that order with AB equals CD and BC is 12. Point E is not on the line and BC equals BCE, BE equals C equals 10. The perimeter of the triangle AD is twice the perimeter of the triangle BC, find AB. So there are no diagrams given, so of course we have to draw this, do a rough drawing. So if I use the drawing tool, it works. So let's draw this line ABCD. There's some line. This is our line here, and then we have the points. So if I say that's A and B and C and D, and I say that AB is equal to CD, and then there's a point E somewhere here, and then we join these points. Okay, so then they're saying that is E, and then AED. So I think we have to join these 2 points as well, and then we need to name them. So I'll say A, B, C, and D, and AB is equal to CD, and that's the point E. So BE equals CE equals 10. So these are equal. So, and we'd have this is 10, this is 10, and BC is 12. Okay, so this is what we've been given. Now we need to, and the perimeter, of course, is twice of AED. So we need to find AB. So what is this length? CD. So we make use a bit of algebra here. So if I say that AE, well, first of all, these 2 triangles ABE and CDE or ECD. So if I say they are congruent, it's important to know that AEB and ECD are congruent. So that would be because BE is equal to CE and AB equals CD, and of course this angle is equal. That's because BCD is isosceles, and the base angles are equal. So 180 minus this angle would be also. That's why they are congruent. So then we can write if this was X, this would be X, and this is Y, and that's Y. So perimeter of AED triangle BEC, so we draw like little triangles to see that triangles. So AED would be Y plus X plus 12, and that's 2 times of perimeter of BEC, so that is 10 plus 10 plus 12. So from here we get 2y plus 2x plus 12 is equal to 2 times 32. So we get 2x plus 2y is equal to 64 minus 12, 52. So we can write x plus y is equal to 26. So that gives us 2 variables, x and y. It doesn't help much. So to help us. We need to draw one of the perpendiculars. If I draw this perpendicular, and I call it, say, EO, okay? So I say that EO, I say that, suppose, suppose EO is perpendicular to BC. EO also bisects BC. Because triangle EBC is isosceles. So we can then find these distances, can't we? We can say that EO square plus OC square is equal to CE square. So EO square is equal to CE square. So that's 10 square minus, so if this is 12, this would be 6. Perpendicular bisector, so minus 6 square, that is 100, minus 36 is 64. Therefore, EO is equal to 8. Okay, is an equal to. So EO is equal to 8. Sorry, this writing should be better. Sorry. EO is equal to 8. So then we can apply this, and you see that AEO is right angled, isn't it? Therefore, in triangle AEO, we would get AO square plus OE square is equal to AE square. AO square plus OE square is equal to AE square. So we know what AO square is. It's x plus 6 whole square plus OE square. That's EO, that's 8, we rounded 8 square is equal to AE square, that's y square. So you see we can write that y is equal to 26 minus x. So we can apply that here. So x plus 6 square plus 64 is equal to 26 minus x square. So we get x square plus 12x plus 36 plus 64 is equal to 26 times 26, that's 676. Isn't it? Right? Wrong. Yeah, it is 676. So I would get 676 minus 52x plus x squared. So the x squared get cancelled out, and then we are left with 12x plus 52. That's 64x is equal to 676 minus 64 minus 36, and that is 576. So we get x is 9. So we found out what AB is, isn't it? So it's equal to 9. The answer is 9.